The hippopotamus is a very large animal. It lives in Africa, where it can be found in rivers, lakes, and swamps. These massive creatures are well adapted to their aquatic environments. It is sometimes called a hippo for short. Hippos spend a lot of their time in the water to keep their massive bodies cool under the hot African sun. The hippopotamus has a scientific name too. It is Hippopotamus amphibius. This name reflects their amphibious nature, as they are equally at home in water and on land. This name means river horse in Greek. Hippos are very heavy. In fact, they are one of the heaviest land animals on Earth. An adult hippo can weigh as much as a car. Some can even weigh up to 3,500 kilograms, or about 7,700 pounds. They have large, barrel-shaped bodies and short legs. Despite their bulk, they are surprisingly agile in the water. Hippos are very strong animals. Their powerful jaws can crush almost anything, and they use their strength to defend their territory. They can easily outrun a human on land. Hippos can reach speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour, or about 19 miles per hour. Hippos are herbivores. This means they eat plants. Their diet mainly consists of grass, but they will also eat fruit and other vegetation when available. They graze on grass at night. Hippos are nocturnal feeders, which means they do most of their eating after the sun goes down. They eat lots of grass. A single hippo can consume a significant amount of vegetation in one night. A hippo can eat over 80 pounds of grass in one night. This helps them maintain their massive size and energy levels. Hippos live in Africa. They need water to survive. They live in rivers and lakes. They spend most of their day in the water. The water keeps them cool. The African sun is very hot. The water protects their skin from the sun. Hippos are very good swimmers. They can hold their breath for a long time. Hippos like to be near other hippos. They live in groups called bloats. A bloat can have up to 30 hippos. There are usually more females than males in a bloat. The hippopotamus is well suited to its watery home. It has a thick layer of skin. This skin is very tough. It protects the hippo from injuries. Hippos have large nostrils. Their nostrils are on top of their heads. Their nostrils close when they go underwater. This keeps water out of their noses. Hippos have small ears. Their ears are also on top of their heads. Even though they look slow, hippos can be aggressive. They are very protective of their young. Male hippos are very territorial. They will fight other males to protect their territory. Section 4. The importance of the hippopotamus. Hippos are an important part of their ecosystem. They are a keystone species. This means they have a big impact on their environment. Their poop helps to fertilize the water. This helps plants to grow. These plants provide food and shelter for other animals. Fish and other aquatic creatures thrive due to the nutrients from hippo waste. Hippos also create paths in the water. These paths help water to flow. This is important for the health of the river or lake. These paths also act as channels, preventing water stagnation. Section 5. Hippos and humans. Hippos, these magnificent creatures, are an integral part of the ecosystem. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their habitats. Even though hippos are important, they are facing threats. These threats are numerous and varied, putting their very existence at risk. Humans are the biggest threat to hippos. Our activities have a direct and often devastating impact on their populations. People hunt hippos for their meat and teeth. The demand for these products drives illegal poaching, which significantly reduces their numbers. Humans also destroy hippo habitat. This destruction comes in many forms, from deforestation to the construction of infrastructure. This happens when people build farms and cities too close to rivers and lakes. Urban expansion encroaches on the natural spaces hippos need to survive. Habitat loss is a serious problem for hippos. As their living spaces shrink, they are forced into smaller and smaller areas. It forces them into smaller territories, increasing competition for resources. This overcrowding can lead to increased aggression and conflict among hippos. Climate change is also a threat to hippos. The changing climate affects their habitats in unpredictable ways. It is making droughts more common. These prolonged dry periods can be devastating for hippos, who rely on water sources for their survival. Droughts are long periods of time with no rain. Without sufficient water, hippos struggle to find the resources they need. This dries up the rivers and lakes where hippos live. The lack of water not only affects their hydration, but also their ability to find food and shelter. The future of hippos depends on our actions today. We must work to protect their habitats and ensure their survival for generations to come. Section 6. A hippo's life is a balancing act. The hippopotamus is a fascinating and important animal. With their massive size and unique adaptations, they are truly one of nature's wonders. Their semi-aquatic lifestyle allows them to thrive in both water and on land, making them a remarkable species to observe. They are a vital part of the African ecosystem. Hippos play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their environment. By grazing on grasses, they help to shape the landscape, which in turn supports a variety of other wildlife. It is important to protect hippos and their habitat. The wetlands and rivers they inhabit are essential not only for their survival, but also for the countless other species that share their home. We need to learn to live in harmony with them. Coexistence is key to ensuring that both humans and hippos can thrive. By understanding their behavior and needs, we can create strategies to minimize conflicts and promote peaceful living. One way to do this is to support organizations that are working to conserve hippos. These dedicated groups are on the front lines, implementing conservation projects and conducting research to better understand hippo populations. These organizations work to protect hippo habitat and educate people about the importance of hippos. Education is a powerful tool in conservation, helping to raise awareness and inspire action among local communities and the global audience. By protecting hippos, we are also protecting the health of our planet. Healthy hippo populations indicate healthy ecosystems, which are vital for the overall well-being of our environment. We need to act now to ensure that these gentle giants have a future. The survival of baby hippos depends on our efforts today. By taking action, we can ensure that future generations will continue to witness the beauty and majesty of hippos in the wild.